Hey, today we're gonna open up this Funko Pop Dark Leonardo. He looks dope. I don't have a lot of Funko Pops. I've got maybe 20 to 30, so maybe that's a lot, but there are, thousands I could have. This one, the box came crushed and damaged. Usually I keep them in the box. The thing I like about them, the price is right and they don't take up a lot of space. He comes on the base. When I saw him, I knew I had to get him because he's so dope. And they're the first toy company to do Dark Leonardo. I made a Dark Leonardo maybe a month ago out of a Best Action IDW turtle, and I made another one, but it's so big I didn't bring it out. It's an XL turtle. I did that a couple years ago, but he looks dope. He's got the Wolverine claw thing, and one sword, one little sword, got the wraps on his feet, bags, but he's so small they squish the bags together, belt. Mine goes right across, but yeah, it looks a lot like mine. Super dope. Again, I don't have a lot of Pops, but I have mostly Ninja Turtle ones, or maybe half of them are Ninja Turtles. I missed out on the last Ronin one, and I saw this guy like a month ago, and I was waiting, thought maybe the price would go down a bit. It actually went up by 40 cents, and I was like, alright, I'm gonna go through with it now. And the box was crushed, but I'm happy that I'll have this guy on display. Awesome Funko Pop. Yeah, I'll put a link in description if you want to check it out for yourself. So this guy, it's not like I can go through the articulation because they don't have any. His head swivels, turns all the way around. Does the base come off? I'm not gonna try because it'll probably break. Super dope. Dark Leonardo by Funko Pop. They're the first company. I think Best Action will probably do them soon because they've done a lot of other IDW comics turtles. I'm surprised they haven't done them yet, but I did one with their figure, so they can call me if they need help. This guy is super dope. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.